Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to read The Voice of God, our first poem in grade 10. आज के क्लास में हम लुइस आई न्यूमैन की The Voice of God पढ़ेंगे. आइए अपने शायर लुइस इज़राइल न्यूमैन से मिलते हैं. Louis Israel Newman was born in America. He was an American poet, and he was born in Providence, Rhode Island in the year 1893, and he died in 1972. Our poet, Louis Israel Newman, to be exact, has written this poem, The Voice of God. He studied at the Brown University and he lectured at Columbian University. So ये हैं हमारे poet जिन्होंने लिखी है poem The Voice of God, which is highly religious. एक बहुत मजहबी रुझान रखने वाली poem है जिसको हम अब पढ़ेंगे. The Voice of God. The Voice of God, a beautiful poem by Newman. Look at these lines. I sought to hear the voice of God and climbed the topmost steeple. But God declared, go down again, I dwell among the people. ये खूबसूरत नज़्म एक बहुत अहम पैगाम दे रही है और हमें बहुत कुछ बताती है. पहले देखते हैं कि इन लाइन्स में शायर ने कहा क्या है. The first line says, I sought to hear the voice of God and climbed the topmost steeple. God declared, go down again, I dwell among the people. Before we discuss this, let's have a look at these words. यहाँ नंबर 1 पे हमारे पास वर्ड है sought. अगर आप यहाँ पे गौर करें तो हमने इस वर्ब की तीनों फॉर्म्स लिखी हैं, seek, sought, sought. Seek का मतलब है to find out, to search. Sought is the second form. I sought to hear the voice of God. यहाँ पोइट कह रहे हैं कि वो चाहते थे कि वो खुदा की आवाज़ को ढूंढ सकें, सुन सकें, और ऐसा करने के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया? And climb the topmost steeple. सेकेंड वर्ड हमारे पास यहाँ पे आया है steeple. आपकी बुक कह रही है the topmost part of a religious building, but to be exact, steeple is the topmost part of a church. But God declared, go down again, I dwell among the people. The answer that he received from God was, go down again, I dwell among the people. हो सकता है कि आपको ये वर्ड dwell के बारे में ना पता हो, तो ये dwell का मतलब है to live. So, poet is trying to say कि वो चाहता था कि खुदा की आवाज़ को सुन सके, और उसने सोचा शायद खुदा की नज़दीकी और कुर्बत पाने के लिए उसे किसी बहुत ऊंची इमारत पर चढ़ जाना चाहिए. और चूंकि वो एक क्रिश्चियन था, लिहाजा वो अपनी चर्च के सबसे ऊपर के हिस्से में चढ़ गया. और वो कहता है कि फिर उसे खुदा की निदा आवाज़ सुनाई दी जिसमें खुदा ने उसे हुक्म दिया कि वो वापस नीचे चला जाए, क्योंकि खुदा तो लोगों के दरमियान मौजूद है. So the message is beautiful. And here the poet is trying to say, if you want to be close to God, you don't have to think of elevating yourself or climbing at a topmost position. You can be close to God by being close to the people, by being close to the creatures of the God. अगर आप खुदा की मखलूक के साथ ज़्यादा करीब हैं और उनका ज़्यादा ख्याल रखते हैं, तो यकीनन आप खुदा की कुर्बत भी हासिल कर रहेंगे. That's the beautiful poem, The Voice of God, and I think that you must understand the message. अब अगर आप गौर से देखें तो we have some questions. Why did author climb the steeple? Yes, think of it. What did he say before this? He said, I sought to hear the voice of God. So you can say the poet climbed the topmost steeple so that he can listen to the voice of God. Question 2. Why did God tell him to go down again? God ordered him to go down again because you cannot be close to God by climbing a high position. You have to be close to the people. You should be caring. You should be taking care of the people who are created by God. Third, say in your own words what you think is the message of this poem. This beautiful poem has a great message. It tells us, in order to serve God, you should serve humanity. In order to be close to God, you should be close to humanity. जितना आप इंसानों और इंसानियत के नज़दीक होंगे, जितना उनका ख्याल रखेंगे, तो यकीनन आप खुदा की कुर्बत भी हासिल कर लेंगे. So this was the poem, The Voice of God by Lewis Israel Newman. Thank you very much.